Just a bit of an update video. My guitar. I still haven't played it yet. The one I fixed up on my live feed, and I figure that the weird warbling, flanging sound on my live feed was overloading the microphone on my Logitech camera. So I'm thinking I might do another one, this time with the 12 string. And I'll try the camera on the computer, or the microphone on the computer instead. And hopefully the sound comes out a little bit better than that. And I'm not sure when that live feed will come up, but in the near future. I should mention that I want to get this one done on a live feed because I have a little bit of a collab in the work with Oak Knob Farms channel. Check him out, Oak Knob Farms. So we might be doing a little bit of a musical thing together. I'm not sure about the logistics and everything of it. Things are still in the works. It's still a maybe. The other update is on my computer hard drive transplant. And if you go to this PC, you see now I have got everything off of that I wanted to, and I've changed the drive letter to E. And within that I have got now my videos in there. So now the software looking for my videos will direct right to there. So that's the update on that one. That seems to be going a little bit smoother. I guess this video will be the first try at seeing how it works. The external hard drive now is just for backup. And the next update is on my lights. I still haven't made the one for over the bench yet, but I really like the lights. I've still got one more unit right here. The only thing is that they have a little bit of interference with my FM radio reception, and that's the downside. But other than that, the instant on, the nice clear light that they give me, I love them. It's just the radio interference. So I don't listen to the radio much anyways. But if you're looking at these lights that I did the video on, just be aware that you will get some radio interference with them. The next order of business is a question from viewer Alan GK about the record 078 that I did a video on, fixing it up, and he is missing the rod. I guess from his, he got one, and he's looking for the dimensions of it. So sticking out, I've got 62 millimeters, which is 2.5 inches. So it is 0.31 inches. Let me lock that down on there. Which is 5/16, which is 7.89 millimeters. So the length overall would be 2 7/8, and that is 74 millimeters, 73 millimeters, and we'll check that thread for you. Well, that looks like an odd thread on it. I'm seeing 27 threads per inch on there. I don't know if that's showing up. So it could be one of those weird British threads. Whitworth. A Whitworth size perhaps. And in metric that comes out to 27 also. Yeah, that's a metric checker. And it's saying 27. What does the 28 do? 28 doesn't fit. .27, I guess that's a standard thread then, because then it goes to 0.08, which would be a metric. Yeah, they got metric and standard on here. So yeah, 27 threads on it per inch. And that is about, yeah, about 8 millimeters of stick out there. A third of an inch, 0.331. Yeah, around there. 21/64. I don't think that dimension is too critical though. And that is the rod for the fence. And I do believe these can come in different sizes. So, for viewer Alan GK, I hope that answers your question. On the record, number 078. Thread diameter is 31 1/28, right about a quarter of an inch. 6.21 millimeters, 0.2445 of an inch. So if I look on the back of this, actually, it does have Whitworth on it. A quarter, 20 gauge, 4.72 millimeters, 5 millimeter diameter. Don't know if that helps or not. Let me see what we got here. 6.20 millimeters. .3. 6.4 is a 5/16 for a Whitworth. So I don't know how well that shows up on there for focus. 6.4 is a 5/16 in a Whitworth. I didn't even know that was on there until now. And as far as other things going on in the shop, I have been slowly working on another project. And there's your sneak peek of it. Not much of a look of it, but it'll be a longer series. I've just been picking away at it when I have had the chance. So we're getting there slowly and surely. I've got some more parts cut out for it. But we're getting there. It'll be a longer series. I'm going to do a fairly detailed build video series on this one. So stay tuned for that coming up slowly and surely. And I'll be releasing that a little bit at a time. Like I said, it's going to be pretty detailed so anybody can make it. And that's what's going on. Thanks for dropping in. Like I said, I'm going to have a live stream coming up maybe in the next couple of days, working on my 12-string guitar and getting it ready for a collaboration with Oak Knob Farms. We'll see if that happens. There might be a few other people involved. I know he's been shouting out to other people. So go check out Oak Knob Farms on YouTube. Thanks for dropping by.